Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, as you can see, we got a little bit of a triple top right here, and price is really struggling to get any further. I still believe that this is very likely to actually end up continuing the uptrend, maybe after a pullback. I think that this may not even be a wave 5. I think it very easily could just keep on drifting up to at least a $22 or $2,300 area. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, as you can see, price was really struggling to go any further, and it definitely did make a move to the downside. It definitely did break structure. Now, I am looking at this as a correction to this last move up as of now, and most likely turning at a percentage of that move and ending up continuing the uptrend. So let's keep that in mind and head down to the daily time frame. Now, daily time frame, I see a few possibilities. Now, this does look like it could be a wave A. But looking at the US dollar index especially, the US dollar index looks like it's already in a wave C, and I could picture this being an A right here, and I could definitely picture this being 3 waves up, which it definitely is 3 waves up, for like an irregular top or an irregular wave B, and this being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C. We are at the 38.2, so if it does make an impulsive move up, if it does take out structure, I will definitely go long, and then I'll learn whether it continues the uptrend or whether this really is an A, and then a wave B comes next, and then it goes down for a wave C. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we do have a little bit of a complete looking trend right here. The last structure level is right here. So until price takes that out, I still think that the trend is down, and I'm still primarily looking for shorts on shorter time frames. But if price does take that out, then I'll definitely start looking for longs, because there's always a chance this is a wave C, and there's always a chance that it just ends up drifting back up and continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, definitely a very strong move to the upside, so I am kind of expecting that it may end up taking out this high. This definitely looks to me like a trend. It looks like it's now in a correction to that trend. If the next move up does go up, and if it does take out this structure, then I will say that this downtrend is over on the longer time frames, and it may even turn into the continuation of the uptrend, because I do think there is a good chance this is a wave 5 of wave C on the longer time frames, and if it is, then this next move up will be a trend, and most likely the continuation of that bigger trend on the longer time frames. But until price actually takes out this high right here, I definitely am just going to continue to look for shorts, because there's always a chance that the market just keeps on going down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks, and happy trading.